Hello, this is Benjamin with ARI, your website company. Today's tutorial will be on how to complete an e-commerce order on your CMS responsive website. Starting from the beginning, you'll receive an email telling you that you have an order. Limited details of the order will be presented in that email. Once you receive that email and you're ready to process it, you'll log into your CMS editor. You'll click on Leads, scroll down to, and click on Orders. All of your orders will be displayed as new at first, down in the lower portion of the screen that you can see here. To view those orders details, you can click on View Details to the right of that customer. Here you have many options. First, if you need to edit the details of the order, such as what they ordered, the price of the order, the amount of tax, the amount of shipping, any details such as this, you can click on Edit Order to change any of those details before processing the order. You have Print Order Detail if you'd like to keep a paper copy of such order. Print Invoice if you want to keep a full copy of the invoice. Print Packing Slip to include with this person's order. And send reply email to the customer should you need to tell them that they are temporarily out of stock or on back order, for instance. Once you've made the changes that you need to that order, if you need to, you can scroll down to the bottom half of your screen, and after the order details in the lower right-hand corner of the screen will be a button that says either Process Order or Process Card. Up until you hit Process Order or Process Card, any details of the order can be changed. However, once you hit Process Order or Process Card, it is set in stone and you'll have to ship out the order as is. If you get contacted by the customer saying, "Oops, I meant to order 3 of those instead of 2, you'll have to tell him or her to complete a second order to fill in the rest of the required goods. Thank you so much. This has been Benjamin with ARI on order processing in your CMS editor.